Today we're going to be solving a division problem using partial quotients. We start with just our regular division problem. This problem can be read as 345 divided by 4, or we can say 4 into 345. Now for this kind of division, we want to focus on multiples of 10 and 100 to help us find our answer. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our divisor and place it over to the side since it's going to stay the same throughout the whole problem. Then we're going to ask ourselves, what multiple of 10 can we multiply by 4 to get as close to 345 as we possibly can without going over? So we would sit and think of in our minds about 4 times 10, 4 times 20, 4 times 30, and so on until we come up with the highest number we can think of that is close to 345 without going over. So in this problem, we're going to use 80 because we know in the basic fact 4 times 8, we get 32 with a 0 on the end. So we're going to bring our 320 over to the side, and then we're going to subtract that out. We now have 25 still to work with. We always want to check and ask ourselves, is this less than my divisor? And since the answer is no, we know that we're not finished with this problem yet. So we're going to come back over to the side, and this time we're going to ask ourselves, what times 4 is the closest thing to 25 without going over? We know we can't use multiples of 10 anymore because they would be too big, so we're just going to think of our regular basic facts. We know that 4 times 6 gives us 24, and that's as close as we can get. So we're going to bring that over and subtract. We get a 1. And again, we ask ourselves, is this less than my divisor? And since it is, we know we've taken this part of the problem as far as we can. So we come over to the side and we look at the numbers that we've placed inside the boxes. Those are the partial quotients. So we're just going to add those together. So 80 plus 6 is 86, and we want to bring our remainder up to the top. So the final quotient for this problem is 86 remainder 1. Thank you for watching.